How to find all of your account violations in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can find all of the violations that you have committed using your Roblox account. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply tap onto the app icon in order to launch Roblox. Now once the application launches, you will see an interface like this. Now in order to find all of the violations that you have committed, you need to click onto this more option at the bottom right corner. Once you will do this, it will open the more page. Now from here, simply scroll down and you will see this option that says help and safety. So simply click onto this help and safety option, and under this you can see the second option that says violations and appeals. So simply click here and this particular page will show all of the violations and also the appeals that you have committed from your account. So since currently I have